Okay. Now, what we are going to do today is we are going to check into the tax calculation procedure, in tax on sales and purchase, and basic settings, check calculation procedure. Procedures. Okay. Over here, new entries. This is part of SEO, yes. I'll tell you how. Tax procedure is that. Tax act. Okay. Control data. Decision condition. Okay. Procedures. Control data. New entries. Okay. 100. BSB base amount. 1110 MWAS. Output tax. 120. 120. Was that MWAS input tax? 100 manual. Okay. Now, basically what this is, that we are creating a taxation structure. And why are we creating a taxation structure? Because this is the process where sales tax is the output tax. The customers will pay this. Purchase tax is input tax. We have to pay for the import of the materials that we take. VAT is value added. It's a mode of collection of tax. And Our process is that we will purchase raw material and sell the finished good. We'll purchase, we'll pay the purchase tax to vendors, okay, and collect sales tax from customers. Difference is 2,000. This amount is to be remitted to tax authorities. Okay, so that's why we are actually making this and save it. And this will leave a part. Okay. It's done. Tax procedure, assign country to calculation procedure. Our is tax SAP. Save. You're assigning the country because your company is stationed here. It's operating from here. Okay. It is configured at country level, but not at company code level. Okay, this setup is going to work for all company code that belong to UAE. Okay. Next code is FTXP. FTXP AE. Okay. V0. Okay. Our company is Zap9, yes, I know. It is bus stationed in UAE, right? Okay. Tax code is V0. 0% input tax. V is our input tax type. This is for purchases, right? Check ID. Enter. Okay. Over here, input tax. This is where it will be applied. Okay. Output tax will be deactivated. Tax type output tax is not active. Input tax is 0 and we'll save it. And it was created. V1, enter. 4% input tax. V, check ID, enter. Output tax, activate line. Input tax is 4. Input tax 4%. Okay. Input tax, it will need tax accounts. Chart of accounts is ZAP9. We don't have any integration here right now. Save it. Enter. Again, properties. Okay, check ID. If I unselect this one, save it. V1. Properties. Oh, I want to activate this input tax account key. Okay, we'll have to do this because it doesn't have any account key. Account key will be M MVS or VST. It will be VST for sales input tax. You'll have to give that account as well for the tax maintenance. Okay. Okay. A0, 0% output tax. and output tax is A, check ID, enter, input tax, deactivate line, save, A1, okay, 14.5% output tax, A, input tax, deactivate line, save. Okay, FS00, now ZAP 9, and we'll create an account. Okay, we'll copy this and 100, 530, ZAP 9, and this will be VAT payable, VAT payable. Okay, control data. Okay, tax category. Output tax account. Okay, it will be output tax account, and it will be open item management. Open item management. And what else? Field status groups post automatically only supplement, and what else? G041 tax office clearing account. Save. Okay. Copy. Okay. VAT receivable. Open item management. Input tax. Oh, okay. Numbering range not. Numbering range, what was that? 200, 530. Okay. Save. Now it is saved. Okay. Now, do we have sales? Do we have 300 income? Okay, we need to make one income. And we 300, 510, and sales, sales, control data, Posting without tax allowed, and in this only output tax allowed. Okay, sort key 001, and since because it is a revenue or expense, these are not open items. Okay? Open items are either receivable or payable, vendor accounts or customer accounts. Okay, or tax payable, withholding tax payable liability. So those can be bank accounts, but not even bank accounts. Only bank accounts, subsidy bank accounts can be open items. Material, um, GRIR accounts, those are open item items, but not income or expenses. So it is not open item. Okay, it will be absorbed in that very month. Okay. Okay. Field status groups. Revenue accounts G029 post automatically. We don't need post automatically save. Cost elementary field, cost element category field, and that will be cost element category will be revenue 11. Okay, so this is revenue. This is saved. Okay, now next, we will have material accounts 500, 599. Okay. Material accounts, raw material, raw material inventory, control data, uh, tax category will be minus. Okay, posting without tax allowed, field status groups, material accounts G06, post automatically, control data, sort key 01, 014. Okay, purchase order will be the reconciliation factor. Okay, next is OB40. Reconciliation. Basically, reconciliation actually happens for certain elements. Just a second. Okay. In SAP, the reconciliation happens for vendor, material, and payments. Okay. So vendor outstanding and material through GRIR, and payments through payment advices. And payments. So it's a three-way reconciliation. Then we have for banks, main bank account, which is not open item, but it is reconciliation happens through incoming bank account, outgoing bank account, and these are both open items. Okay, so these two match the entries into main bank account. It is recorded in main bank account, and this is part of balance sheet statement, and these are subsidiary ledgers. Same goes for GRIR. This is also open item. Open item because uh, inventory account is debited and GRIR is credited. And when invoice is received and GRIR is debited and vendor at invoice level is credit. Okay. So if there is a difference, of course, that difference goes to variance or price difference accounts. Okay. So that can be adjusted. So GRIR gets knocked out, and this is reconciliation. That's how it happens. And this happens at month end. Okay. Same goes for any payable also. It is matched with the payment advice. So right now we are creating tax accounts. We'll go for MWS. MWS output tax. Chart of accounts SAP 9. Okay. Tax code accounts. Save the rules first. Save. Okay. Our tax code was. Oh no. No, 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 no. Yes. Rules, accounts. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now we don't need a tax code. And output tax 105.30. You don't have this account? Okay. It's created. Output tax receivable. Okay. Output tax payable. Already there, but registered. Okay. Save. Save. Next is VST. VST input tax. Okay. Accounts. Save. And Changes have been made, save. Okay. Next is sales and distribution. Basic functions, taxes, define tax determination rules. Okay, MWST output tax, VST input tax. Sequence is 1. It's already saved because it's for AED at country level. Okay. Basic function taxes, tax relevancy of master records. Define tax relevancy of master records. Customer taxes, new entries, MWST tax class 1, taxable, MWST 0, non-taxable. An entry already exists. MWST, okay. MWST, output tax, tax exempt and liable for taxes. Okay. Tax relevance for material MWST. Output tax 01, no tax, full tax. Half tax, low tax rate, mixed tax. Okay. So we have all the categories that will be levied on the materials. Okay. Save. Data is saved. Okay. Next. Enterprise structure. Definition. Logistics. Plant. Define plant. So now we have actually configured CO. Now we are going into integration with MM, SD, and then we'll go for product costing. So we are actually half done with your course now, almost. So let's stop over here. It's not actually moving ahead. Let's